Okay, today's first day of holidays. As you can see, our walkway, we got it all dug up. This morning, there's the old asphalt. This morning we went down and a friend of ours makes patio stones, so we bought some patio stones off him and we're going to put it there in our walkway. I'll show you them there now. There's the patio stones. Our friend makes them. We bought some off him and we're going to put that down in our walkway, but first we're moving all the old asphalt like this here. This gotta go. We're going to try to get some stuff around the house done up while we're on holidays. So he's digging it up to set the patio stones down in, and I'm picking that all up, getting rid of that out of the way. Okay, that's what we got done so far. He's going all the ways up, making sure it's level, and then he's going to start the other side right here going along. I'll show you guys when it's all finished how it turns out. All done. Look how nice. Now it's going to take a little bit of work to fix up around it, but it's all done. He's filling in around the sides with the dirt that was scooped up. We're going to put lawn seed along here, and if there's any like little cracks that might be open in between, which I don't see much, we're going to put some sand in there. But it turned out really good.
Just gotta sweep them off after, hose them off, and good to go.
Yep. Down at the beach. While I'm on holidays, we're gonna go on that walking trail up there, and we're gonna go for a walk on this beach and see if we can find some fossils, because a lot of people from around here told us that this beach has some fossils. You gotta look hard, but they're there. And the scenery here is beautiful. Kind of cold here today, but it's just the wind off the ocean. Guys, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but here along the ocean, half it is green and half is dark blue. It's like a split right down the middle. I don't know if you can see it. I can, but I don't know if the camera's picking it up. My parcel finally came in from Amazon. I'm assuming these are my pens that are personalized with my channel. So I'm going to check it out and see. Oh, they're all wrapped in tape too. Oops. I don't have my tripod with me, guys, so bear with me. I'll get this open and I'll be back. Okay guys, I got it open, and it's all multicolored pens, different colors, and they also come with extras for ink and filter. I don't know why, but I don't fussy these as much as the Temu ones. I like the Temu ones better, but don't get me wrong, these are nice too. And there's my channel on them. Okay, and they got the stylus on top on these too. Okay, I never noticed that. They're all personalized as different colors. I'm going to be sending these to a few people. Okay guys, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.